In this video, I'm going to show you how to format numbers in Google Sheets. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Let's open a document. Suppose you need to format these numbers into thousands, millions, and billions like this one. To do this, select a column. In the title bar, click on Format. In the drop-down menu, click on Numbers. In the Numbers menu, click on Custom Number Format. Here, a bunch of samples are available, but we're going to create our own format. If you want a $ included in the format, add a quotation mark, then add the $, and close the quotation. Type 0, add a point. After the point sign, add the number of zeros you want as decimal points. Now, if you want to format it to thousands, add 1 comma. Now add quotations and type K, and close the quotation, which indicates the thousand sign. Click on Apply. Here you can see that our data is now in thousand formatting. If you want to change it to millions, go to Custom Formatting again. This time, add another comma after the decimal point. Replace the K with M and click on Apply. Now the numbers are in millions. If you want to change it to billions, go to Custom Formatting again. Add another comma after the decimal point again. Replace the M with B and click on Apply. Now the numbers are in billions.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.